Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $70.18 as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear U pattern, opposite U pattern is formed. Okay, and this is for 2-3 times as we have seen at a level of around 77. After that it fall below this particular. I have told you that there is a clear pattern forming and chances are high it can move towards a level of around 71.8. okay, you can check my previous video also. Now if you look at this particular trend also, similar pattern has formed when I have told you at a level of 75 that it can go further down if the price keep moving further low. Okay, and then it has moved below a level of 71 and crossed a level of 70.14. Why? Because if you look at this particular trend, this level is already being tested twice, so chances was very high it will move out of this zone and can go further low, and it has already made a low of around 65.35. okay, and if you look at the 65.35, this is the level we have seen in the month of May 2023. okay, now if you look at this particular trend, chances can be high that if the price Now if you look at this particular trend, chances are high that if the price started going above this level, we can see it can go towards a level of 70.79, and this is the zone, so we can see there will be a further upside movement. But if the price started going below a level of $68, because this level is already been weak, so chances are high it will fall below this level and can go towards a level of 65.35, and then a further downfall we can see. okay, and if you look at this particular trend, chances are very high a further downfall also we can see, because the dollar index, if I'll show you a dollar index chart before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. If the price keep moving above a level of around $70.5, a further upside movement we can see, and then there will be a further upside. Index, I have already mentioned you that if the price started going below a level of 100.5, a further downfall we can see, because similar patterns being formed, opposite U patterns are formed, and chances are high if the price started going below this level, because this level is already being tested, so chances are high it can go further low, and a probability of moving below a level of 100 we can see. And as soon as the price of dollar index started going below 100, we can see the crude price can the downfall we can see. And once the price started going above this particular level, a probability above a level of 101.5, we can see there will be a further upside movement. And once the price of dollar index started going upside, we will see the crude price will come down. See, you have to understand that if the price started going 100.5, we can see a further fall below a level of 100 also, and once the price started going above a level of 101.5, we can see it can go towards 102 also, because the price, as soon as the price started going up 101.5, a further upside movement we can see, then the crude price can come down. We see sometime what happened, the crude and dollar index started going upside together, so in that case you have to follow this particular SL, and this is very important, you have to put this SL, because see, market is uncertain, so whenever you trade you have to put that SL, and once you start in profit, try to trail the profit. So if you are trailing the profit, you can trail the SL, you can save the profit. okay, now if the price started falling, if it now coming back on the crude price, what we can see, suppose if the crude price started sustaining this level, we can see, if the crude price started sustaining this level, we can see a level of $70.32, and once started going above this level, a probability of going towards 70.8. This 70.8 is already being tested, so chances are high it will go towards a level of $71.4. okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 73.5. okay, and now if the price moving above that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 74.5 will be there. okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards a level of $75.8, and then it can go towards 76.8. You have to understand that as soon as the price started going above a level of 71.5, chances will be high it will go further high. okay, and probability view we can see there will be a chances that if the price keep moving above a level of 70.4, we can see there will be a further upside. So keep this point as resistance or a support, so keep that in mind if the price started going. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, You have to understand that after this level 76.8 is a big resistance, so if the price started going over this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, then the next level coming at a level of $69.10, and once the price falling below this level, we can see a level of 68.5, which has already been weak. So chances are high with the price can go below this level and can touch a level of 67.17. If the price started falling below this level, chance of touching a level of 65.23 will be there. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of $64.3. Okay, and once the price falling below a level of 64.3, we will see a level of $63.3. Then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of falling below a level of around 62.48 will be there, and once started falling below this level, a chance of touching 61.81 will be there, because this level is already being tested, so chances of further fall will be there. Okay, and once the price started falling below 61.8, we can see the price